Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use Monday.com calendar. In this video we will talk about Monday.com, its features, the different membership plans, the sign up and account setup processes, and lastly we will do a walkthrough of the interface. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Monday.com is a cloud-based work operating system that can be used for a variety of needs, including creative design, software development, marketing, project management, sales and CRM, task management, HR, operations, and many workflows. It is the easiest work platform to manage any team and any project. Simply pick from a variety of templates or create your own workflow to get started. Monday.com has been trusted by over 152,000 customers worldwide, like Canva, Coca-Cola, Lionsgate, Hulu, and BD. Now let's see the pricing and different membership plans. Click the pricing tab at the top right corner. Monday.com has 5 different membership plans. First is the individual plan, which is free forever and allows up to 2 seats. This plan is suitable for individuals who are looking to keep track of their work. The second plan is a basic plan, in which you can manage all your team's work in one place. This plan is at $10 per seat per month. But if you subscribe annually, you get a discount of 18% and you need to pay only $8 per seat per month. The third plan is the standard plan, in which you can collaborate and optimize your team processes. This plan is at $12 per seat per month. And if you subscribe annually, you get it at $10 per seat per month by getting a discount of 18%. The fourth plan is the Pro plan, in which you can streamline and run your team's complex workflows. This plan is at $20 per seat per month. And if you subscribe annually, you get a discount of 18% and you need to only pay $16 per seat per month. And lastly, the fifth plan is the Enterprise plan. This is suitable for organizations who are seeking enterprise-grade features. This plan has a custom pricing. To know more about it, you need to contact the sales team of Monday.com to know about its price. Now click on the Get Started button. In the pop-up window, if you already have an account, then use this login button to visit your dashboard, or else you need to create your free account. From here, you can easily sign up on Monday.com by using your Google account. Or else here enter your email address and then click the Continue button. On the next pop-up window, here enter your full name and then here create a password. And here enter your account name, which will be your username. Tick the box of Terms of Service and Privacy Policy and then finally click the Continue button. On the next pop-up window, you will be asked, what brings you here today? You can choose between work, personal, school, and non-profits. We are continuing with the work option. Next, you will be asked what best describes your current role. This question will depend on your previous response. You can choose between business owner, team leader, team member, freelancer, director, C-level, and VP. Select the suitable option. We are selecting Team Leader and then click the Continue button. In the next pop-up window, you will be asked how many people are on your team. Select a proper response from the given options here. Next, you will be asked how many people work at your company. Again, select a proper response from the given options here. And then finally click the Continue button. On the next pop-up window, you will be asked what you'd like to manage first. There are so many options here that you can choose from. Select a suitable option according to your requirements and then click the Continue button. On the next pop-up window, you will be asked what you'd like to focus on first. You can select between creative planning, project management, content calendar, product launches, creative requests, digital asset management, marketing research, media production, and other things. Select a proper response from the list and then click the Continue button. Now, one last thing that is left is the account setup process. You need to invite your teammates. Here, enter the email IDs of your teammates and then click on the Invite Your Team button. But if you don't want to invite anyone right now, then click the Remind Me Later button. So to visit your dashboard, you first need to create a board. In case you don't know about the board, then boards are the place where all your content lives. So here, enter a name for your board. We're creating a board for marketing and then click the Next button. Now you need to select an item that you'd like to manage. Items are rows in your board which hold all the relevant information to your tasks, projects, campaigns, and more. Select the item and then click the Next button and you will be redirected to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard. Let's do a walkthrough of the interface. In the left sidebar, you can see there are so many icons. The first one is the dashboard icon. On your dashboard, you can quickly access your recent boards, inbox, and workspace. Next is the Work Management tab, from where you can manage your workspace, view and create your boards, invite team members, and more. Next is the Notification icon, where you can find all your notifications and alerts. Next is the Inbox icon. From here, you can get messages from your team members, clients, and customer support. You can also reply to them here. Next is the My Work tab. This is your home base, where you can see all your work in one place. When you're assigned an item on any board, it will appear here. Next is the Favorites icon, where you will find all your favorite boards. You can mark any board with a star so that you can easily access it later. Next is the Invite Members icon, from where you can invite others to your board and workspace. Then comes the Search icon, from where you can search everything across your boards, files, emails, and others. Then there is the Help icon. From here, you can find knowledge-based articles and you can also get help from the support team of Monday.com. Below is the square dotted icon, from where you can install apps to your workspace. And lastly is your Profile icon, from where you can access your account, profile, settings, and you can also log out. So this was the complete walkthrough of the interface, and with this we have completed our tutorial on how to use Monday.com calendar. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you've benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.